Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're like me, you love your MacBook but sometimes feel like it could do more. So today I'm sharing my top 5 favorite Mac apps that have completely transformed my macOS experience. Each one has something unique to offer and I can't wait for you guys to discover and try them out. So coming in at number 5 is an app called Blip.
Blip is what I use for file sharing and file transfer. Unlike AirDrop and Bluetooth, the devices don't have to be near each other, and there isn't an initial upload to the cloud before the other person can download it. So it's almost instant and you just send it to them directly. And the best thing about it is it's free. So let's see how it works here. So if I want to send over these two folders to my phone, all I have to do from here is select this two, right click, and there is a Blip option here from my context menu. So if I click on that, then I can select who I want to send it to. So if I send it to my iPhone, I get a notification that lets me know that someone wants to send me something. So if I click this and I accept, then instantly I can preview what is coming. I can see what is coming and how fast it's coming. Right, this is currently coming at about 50 megabits per second, and it's 8% on here, and on my Mac it's the same percent progress. So this lets me know that it's going directly. So for file transfer, this is the app of choice for me. And one other thing is, if I go offline, let's say I close this, right, it lets the person sending know that I'm offline, and then I can come back and just simply resume when I'm ready, and then it picks up from where it stopped.
Winds make window management enjoyable, and it does more than just letting you snap windows to your display. There are 3 features that make it the best window management app for the Mac. Number 1 is something called a dock window preview, which lets you preview open windows of any app in the dock, which is so useful because I always have more than one browser window or Finder window open. And for the actual window management, it has a floating window interface which anyone who has used a Windows PC will instantly recognize, and all of the staple features any good window management app should have, like the option to hide windows, smooth animations and transitions, a dark mode, extension to multiple displays, a quick split option, and the option to use keyboard shortcuts. Now the next 2 features are about how the app is designed. The first is it is very lightweight and efficient. I've actually tested the CPU usage while doing a bunch of window arrangement, and it's never actually gotten over 10%, which is really good. And finally is its integration into your system settings. So when you download Winds, there is no app to open, there is nothing in your dock. You configure it straight from system settings, which is one less app you have to keep open in the dock and keeps your dock clean, which is really great.
For copying and moving files, I use Dropover. It lets you create a shelf where you can temporarily stash those files and then move it to your destination. Here is a quick demo. If I have these 3 folders that I want to move to the media folder, I can just select all 3, give it a shake, wait 3 seconds because I'm on the free version, drop it in here. I can even close this and my shelf still persists. So I can come on here, now open the Finder app, go to media, drop this 3, and that's it. So simple, so easy, very clean interface. PopClip is a utility app that pops up with a menu of actions when you select text. It's similar to the experience you get on the iPhone, but this app elevates that experience on the Mac. So I have a quick note open here. If I type something like, and I highlight this, I have some options. So instantly I see that this is 25 characters. If I want to do an instant translation to French, I can click this, and here's that. Say I want to make this all uppercase. Perfect, or go lowercase. It's very easy, very handy, especially for people who type a lot. And you can customize some of the actions you get from PopClip as well. So for spelling, you can choose what languages you want to be activated for spelling. For search, you can decide what URL. So if you want to use some extensions have settings. So like things like quotes, you can decide what kind of quotes you actually want activated when you add quotes. Same thing with instant translate. You can select a host of languages on here. So you can decide to delete extensions that you don't want anymore or rearrange them. So that's PopClip.
Coming in at number 1 is Raycast. Raycast is designed to replace Spotlight. It can do everything Spotlight can and a lot more. It is a very powerful utility app that gets even more useful with extensions. It can do everything from the simple file search to window arrangement, clipboard history, and keeping your display awake. If there is something you want done, chances are there is an extension to help you do that. Here is a quick demo of some of the very few capabilities of Raycast. If there is one app you download after this video, let it be Raycast.